बीती शाम मुंबई में हुआ रामचरण और जानवी कपूर की आने वाली फिल्म पेद्दी का ट्रेलर लॉन्च। ऐसे में रामचरण और जानवी कपूर के साथ साथ फिल्म की पूरी कास्ट एंड क्रू इस लॉन्च के मौके पर पहुंची। और भाई रामचरण का अंदाज तो देखिए बिल्कुल ही अनोखा है। जहां वो अपने इस फिल्म के पॉपुलर डांस स्टेप को भी करते हुए नजर आए, तो वहीं ब्लू कलर की इस साड़ी में जानवी कपूर लग रही है बेहद ही कमाल। भाई ट्रेलर की बात करें तो फिल्म की कहानी बेहद ही रोमांचक है, क्योंकि इस फिल्म में रामचरण एक खिलाड़ी की भूमिका में नजर आएंगे जो कि बहुत सारे खेल खेलता है। भाई क्रिकेट हो या कुश्ती, ये हर एक में अव्वल है। ऐसे में आइए आपको ले चलते हैं इस ट्रेलर लॉन्च पर और दिखाते हैं यहाँ के सभी खास पल। भाई रामचरण और जानवी कपूर अपनी इस आने वाली फिल्म के लिए बेहद ही एक्साइटेड हैं।
and I'm so happy to be here. हम ये फिल्म पर पिछले 2 सालों से काम कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। आज मैंने पहली बार आप सबके साथ ट्रेलर देखा है और सबकी मेहनत को देखकर, सबका प्यार को देखकर मैं इतनी खुश हूँ। And yeah, it's a very special day, I think, for all of us.
You know, there's so much to talk about. Your character, the film, the cast, the wonderful people. Here, adapting that body language, the language, and of course, that attitude. How was it for you?
It was all बुच्ची सर। ये जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा ना कि ये लग रहा है ऐसे छुई मुई से, ये है नहीं। ये सबसे राउडी डायरेक्टर है इंडिया का। It's true, but honestly, it's been an honor for me. I think ये फिल्म ने मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है। इतना सुपर्ब ट्रेलर दिया है, आप सबसे इतना प्यार दिया है। होपफुली फॉर जून के बाद और भी प्यार आएगा। बट रियली इस मूवी के दौरान मैं इन सब लोगों को जान पाई हूँ। ऑफ कोर्स देवेंदु जी के साथ काफ़ी कम सीन्स रहे हैं, बट होपफुली इन द फ्यूचर। रैंडी सर के साथ ये मेरा दूसरा फिल्म है, एंड आई थिंक आई लुक द बेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज कैमरा। सो थैंक यू सर, ऑलवेज. It's always an honor to be a part of a film where Rahman sir is doing the music. It's, I think, our second collaboration together. It's been a complete honor. और ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं, इन्होंने honestly he's changed me in so many ways. In fact, I think एक पॉइंट पर मैं जिस तरह से इनको अभी कॉल करती हूँ ना, ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गए। हर रोज़ मुझे एक कॉल तो करना ही पड़ता है बुच्ची सर को कि सर कैसे जा रहा है, सर डबिंग करे। फालतू की बातें करती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि रोल तो ख़त्म हो गया है, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक इट जस्ट गोज़ टू शो द इन्वेस्टमेंट। इवन सतीश कारू, इन्होंने मुझे इतना अपनापन दिया है सेट पर। I feel like there's a genuine sense of ownership with the film, and it is genuinely one of the biggest honors of my life to have worked with Ram sir and to see what he's given this film. And I think because of all of the love that everyone's obviously given Mom and Chiranjeevi sir throughout the years, I understand कि एक बहुत ही अलग टाइप का जुड़ाव है लोगों को हमारे साथ, एंड इट मीन्स अ लॉट टू अस, बट इट फेल्ट वेरी कॉस्मिक टू कम टुगेदर फॉर अ वेरी स्पेशल फिल्म विथ हिम एंड टू गेट टू नो हिम एज अ पर्सन, बिकॉज he is the best person. He really is the best person. So I hope that you all enjoy everything he's given to the film, because we've all given a piece of our hearts to the film. So yeah.
Wow.
बहुत भाषण दे दिया। अभी क्या सवाल पूछेंगे
मैं
आप?
सिर्फ यही पूछना चाहता हूँ, लुक देख के हम लोग तो सब एकदम ऐसे हो गए कि वाओ जानवी और ऐसे
पे जा रही थी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि ये बहुत ही हटके डायरेक्शंस देते थे मुझे कि जीप के साथ ये करो, स्कर्ट के साथ ये करो, ऐसे बात करो। तो ये कैरेक्टर का जो अंदाज है, जो तेवर है, वो बहुत हटके है, बहुत अतरंगी है। So yeah, I've gone completely on his conviction. कोमल सर रिव्यू जब देंगे ना, जो भी मैंने किया आप इनका नाम लीजिए। But really it was so exciting, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से इन पिछले 2 साल में मैं बहुत खुल गई हूँ, एंड उसका क्रेडिट सिर्फ ये फिल्म को जाता है और बुच्ची सर को जाता है। सो थैंक यू सर। मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरा घर तो वहाँ ही है। अंदरिकी नमस्कारम। इतना प्यार जब मिलता है तो घर से ज़्यादा, सबसे ज़्यादा लगाव वहीं लगता है मुझे। So yeah, and I hope कि मैं वहाँ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम करती रहूँगी, and I hope I make everyone happy with it.
This movie has been embedded in every cell of us. We've been living this, breathing this for the last 2 years. Mr. Bujbabu has been living, breathing this for the last 5 years. So it's a lot of investment. And I want to thank Buchi Babu for one reason, for convincing Mr. Rahman sir to be on the board on this project. Thank you, Buchi Babu. You know, I'm sure every project has 4 or 5 pillars, but this is the center pillar. The center pillar is R. Rahman sir. It is so needed. The way he composed movies like these, and many movies like this he's composed, especially I love your works. And Pele sir, it is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence, in his films that he is part of. Thank you so much for being part of Peddi sir. And Devendra, thank you, man. You're a gangster. No, Sai gangster. His personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every dialogue, the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own way. And the body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate.
You have it already.
And of course, this is my 5th film or 4th film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame so beautifully in the post, in the shoot. Thank you so much for. And Janvi ma'am, thank you. No, I've not seen such a diligent person in my life. The way she is working so hard. She used to rehearse the last day we just shot a song. I didn't have time because we were shooting 85 days continuously, and then the song landed up. I was like, I was learning there and I was doing it, and I didn't know whether she practiced it too. She did it 100 times better than me in the last song we did. I was like, oh, she's like a Chupa Rustam. She's quietly learning it in Mumbai, and I like that dedication. It's something that she's very sincere to her work, and this Peddi needed a lot of sincerity in all of us, and I'm very, very happy. My dad and Ms. Sridevi ma'am had worked together. It was long wish for our family, our fans, and who appreciated this, our parents coming together and us. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us, and this pair will not disappoint you guys. It will really, she's done her best. So Satish Garu, thank you for your kind words. I wish I can translate exactly what he said. On YouTube, please select on YouTube you can select the language, Hindi. Autocorrect. But yeah, he's really worked hard. He's the main man of this evening. It is because of him all of us are here, and he deserves every applause, every love, and your support he deserves. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తెలుగు అభిమానులందరికీ పేరు పేరున నమస్తే. Thank you so much. Yeah, Chay Bane undi. This is a small gift that Buchi has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing a Kusti Pailwan shoot, and I've asked him to get really trained artists, but he's got real Pailwans. जब action बोलते हैं ना जोरदार पकड़ते हैं, and that's what happened. So I have a cartilage there, but it's fine. It's worth it. It's a beautiful memory of Peddi. I'm going to have, like Mr. Rahman sir said, there was a lot of spiritual journey tha isme. Because physically it was very challenging. Thanks to, first of all, Salman sir and Amir sir for giving us and paying the path for such films like Sultan and Dangal. It gave us so much confidence. Thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, for starting this journey. And we believed that these kind of films had worked in the past.
Yeah.
And obviously, we followed the same route. And the transformation was inevitable. It has to be done. It is part of the story. When he narrated to me, I remember in my house, wo niche acha carpet dal ke pura script aisa rakhe, he was going by one reading. And 2 hours, 40 minutes, I didn't have anything to say. I just got up and we started this journey. I knew it was going to be physically very, very tiring. And it's all worth it for this man and the subject he's written. It is a very, very sincere film. This is about a man's search for his identity. So everybody, we all need some kind of an identity to live, to go through the day. And this is about Peddi, who's finding his identity. Oh, identity crisis rehta. Through that, how he has found an identity for a very, very big reason, very, very larger cause, and what all he had to go through. The crossover athlete, kyun crossover athlete bana hai? So what led him to do what he is? The pain in Delhi, you saw so it's a beautifully etched film. It is organic at the same time. It's highly commercial, and it will take audience of all ages will be very very happy and surprised to see this film. And I also believe this is the most inspiring story I have done in my life. Not just me. My dad, my dad saw part of it, and he said, "Ram, for anybody to get a film like this, it normally takes a decade. Har saal mein we can't have a Magadhira or RRR. It takes a while." He said, "Please relish every moment of this, because you're not going to get a movie like this again. Completely needed." I mean, my name is Hanuman Ram Charan Ke Tej, so I'm a big follower, and then he's the god of Kusti, you know. I mean, it's physically challenging. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. But every single day there was this feeling where I want to wake up today and go to sets.
Right.
It was not like school ja rahe yaar today kitna shooting karna hai. No, I don't want to leave my sets. This is one of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So as a schoolboy jaise tha. So it is very interesting that that feeling we should retain when we're doing a movie.
Right.
You know you're doing something right.
But what I can say is this song has transcended my fan group. Like, you know, I have 90s and 2000, hopefully from 2010. But I'm doing a song with Asha Ji. I mean, I did a song with Asha Ji. I wanted as a tribute. And after filming with her last year, unfortunately she passed away, I went down to the flats, and there was a little boy who came and asked for autograph. I said, what song has he listened of mine? So I was thinking he's going to say Rockstar or, you know, Tamasha. He said, which song did you hear of mine? Like, Chikri.
Yes, on 23rd, we're doing the next biggest event. That is the heart of India. From the center of India, the Madhya Pradesh. Like Devendu said, all this kind of movies, the sports in the Haryana, UP, all of these guys really love it. They own it, these kind of films. So we need all your blessings from Mumbai to Madhya Pradesh. Thank you so much.
आप लोगों का रिएक्शन देख के मज़ा आ गया, फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख के बहुत मज़ा आ गया. And I'm just so happy and glad that all of us are here tonight. I mean, it's been such an incredible pleasure to be part of Peddi. Starting with Bucci sir. Bucci sir, thank you. You were like so amazingly warm towards me. You know, thank you sir. Randy sir, just how you used to just collaborate on what I could do and how you would capture it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Ram Garu, you're just amazing, man. Amazing. What a guy you are. Thank you so much for your love and warmth. And this looks amazing, smashing. Janvi, you look amazing. I mean, I'm sure this is a very different part you've played this time. It's amazing. And Rahman sir, honor. It's a sheer honor to be in your presence. यार मैंने ये फिल्म ना कहानी सुनने से पहले हाँ करी थी, क्योंकि मैं जब उनसे मिला तब तक पूरी कहानी मुझे सुनाई नहीं थी उन्होंने. लेकिन वो जिस तरीके से मिले ना मुझसे और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बात करी, बहुत कम लोग होते हैं, बहुत कम ऐसे आर्टिस्ट होते हैं जो इतने खुले दिल से आपसे मिलते हैं विदाउट एनी बैगेज. तो मुझे लगा फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट जो भी होगा, मेरा कैरेक्टर जो भी होगा, लेकिन मैं कूदा इस फिल्म में सिर्फ इनकी वजह से.
क्या बात है सर.
आई थिंक यार पेद्दी ऑलरेडी इज अ कंप्लीट गाय, वो सब कुछ करते हैं, वो क्या होगा. आई थिंक मुन्ना यही कहता है कि साथ मिलके गैंग बनाते हैं.
I started with Tamil films and then I did Telugu dubbing and Hindi, everything. And I was waiting for the right movie in Telugu to come. And this is the one.
Wow.
So I was waiting, I was pushing, like people used to come for Telugu movies. But when he told me this story and his passion in the eyes made me feel like this is my first movie in Telugu. And I think it's beginning now. God, thanks to Bucci and Ramcharan. I personally think like anything you take, if somebody goes deep within the subject and pulls the best from every artist, that could be the great film. Like, you know, apart from success or failure, I think it's going to be a great success, God willing. For me, I feel like gone to the depth, every frame this man is shining. Every frame. And I can see the hard work, and physically, spiritually, mentally, and a great honor. Thank you so much. I think we started during COVID, right? So he came to Dubai,
Right.
and this is the first, Chikri was the first tune, and he said, very good. And then I did a few other things, and then continued in Chennai, then we went to Hyderabad. So he seems very sweet, but he's not, he's a tyrant.
You said it, sir.
He's a very, very soft and very nice, lovable guy. But he said, can you give another tune? Can you give another tune? Can you change the voice?
Right.
But then that's what makes a person, excel, I think. All for the movie. All for you.
He is saying Charan sir has worked hard in 3 intervals for 4 months kushti and 4 months cricket. And the third one is, other thing is there. So for 3 games,
Sir, this is also Telugu, like that. This is not English, this is also like that Telugu.
भाई जितना ड्रामा इस फिल्म में है, जितनी कहानी इसकी इंटेंस है, उतना ही इसमें रोमांस और एंटरटेनमेंट का तड़का भी है। ऐसे में अब देखना होगा कि क्या रामचरण और जानवी कपूर की ये जोड़ी दर्शकों का दिल जीत पाएगी। भाई वैसे आपको बता दे कि रामचरण और जानवी कपूर पहली बार साथ साथ काम कर रहे हैं। ऐसे में ये जोड़ी कितनी हिट होगी या फ्लॉप, ये तो आने वाला वक्त बताएगा। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।